Vince Monte here, online fitness business coach, and in this series we are drawing parallels from the gym to help you grow your online business. And we are looking at the world of paid advertising in conjunction with muscle soreness in the gym. Do you need to spend a lot of money on ads in order to grow your business? Do you need to get really sore? Is muscle soreness a necessity? Is it the thing that triggers muscle growth? We're gonna explain muscle growth, and we're gonna help you save money on your ads and actually produce what you want in your business, which is a profit. Let's dive in. One of my favorite business sayings is from a mentor that said, Vince, revenue feeds the ego and profits feed the family. And if we look at this in the gym setting, a lot of people get really excited about, oh man, I was so sore after a workout, and they equate muscle soreness to gains in the gym. And while we do know that soreness can indicate damage to a muscle, we also know that just damaging a muscle doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna get bigger. A lot of examples in the world of fitness, a lot of long distance runners get sore from running downhill. Doesn't mean they get big legs, all right? We also know that we can create a lot of soreness simply by training in the stretch position, all right? In the lengthen position, loaded negatives, that creates a lot of damage, all right? Doesn't necessarily mean more muscle growth though. It does indicate that you stimulated the muscle. Sometimes you can annihilate the muscle to a point where it gets overtrained, it doesn't recover, and it can lead to other issues, even injuries. All right, so we have to understand that muscle soreness is just an indicator. It means you stimulated something. It can potentially produce a result, but the goal isn't necessarily soreness. And now if we look at the world of advertising, all right, I want you to pay close attention. A lot of people want to run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, and they get real excited because they're spending money. And like, oh, we're spending $100 a day, $500 a day, and that is the wrong metric, all right? That's great that you're spending that, but the question is are you profitable, right? Just like going to the gym, yeah, you're getting sore, but the real question is the soreness producing results? Is the soreness increasing the size of your muscles, right? Is the ad spend, are the ads actually growing your business? Or are you breaking even? Are you taking a loss? Or are you actually 2 to 3x profitable, 4 to 8x profitable, 10x profitable? That's when you're actually gonna see gains in your business. So what we need to focus on is progress. We need to make sure the profits are going up. All right, we need to make sure we're actually putting money in our bank account and we're not just spending money. So a lot of people get real caught up in running ads, but they don't have what we call key performance metrics. They're looking at the reporting, but they don't know what to look at. But we need to look at the opt-in rate. We need to look at the click-through rate. We need to look at the cost per impressions. We need to look at the cost per click. There's a lot of other metrics we have to measure to see if we're actually progressing. And if we're progressing in profits, now we're winning. And now you're producing profits to feed the family and not just revenue to feed the ego. All right? So let's focus on both of these things in the gym. It's not a badge of honor to get super sore. It might mean you just did way too much, all right? You jumped into something you weren't ready for, and now you're super sore, but that's not a gauge that you're gonna get better, all right? Same thing with ads. Just because you're spending money doesn't mean your business is gonna grow, all right? Just because your ad spend's going up doesn't mean you're drawing a profit. You have to look at key performance indicators in the business. We have to look at the results, not just the reporting, and in the gym, we have to look at the mirror and we have to see, is my physique actually looking better? I hope this landed well for you. I'd love to know what jumped out at you in the comments below, and make sure to turn on your notifications, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and it would really help out if you share it with a friend. That stuff goes a long way to spreading my work with more people who'd benefit from this muscle building and business building information. Until then, we'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.